Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Had to have for you a very nice BOBCAT SG30 stump grinder. It is a 2020 model. Guys, this grinder we have hooked to an MT85 here. Very, very nice OEM grinder. Very little use to any at all. Unit is in very, very nice shape. We actually just hooked it up here to a machine. You will need a 14-pin kit. I own what is called a rental and demo kit. I'm going to get you a part number off of it here real quick. Should be this 6733934 should be the part number, and that will be a rental demo kit switch box. None of that goes with this, but long story short, you know, if you need this, you can get a 14-pin kit for your machine or get that rental demo kit. But very nice grinder, works very well. We're going to do a part 2 video here of grinding on a stump with it here for you. Any questions? 814-658-3066. As always, have a great day.